Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the custom floor mats Bronze Series in the 2009 Ram 2500. They're awesome looking floor mats with a honeycomb texture look to them, matched up really nice with the dash cover and the seat covers that we have inside here. Just a great set of floor mats. Let's check them out. All right, so here are the floor mats. These are the Bronze Series floor mats with the honeycomb shape inside here. Kind of a cool shape, and this is custom fit to this Dodge. And I snagged this Pyrex out of my wife's kitchen here to see how much water this could hold, because it has great holding capacity. I want to show you, there's 3 cups of water inside here right now. So we're gonna pour some water on here and just see, all right, when does it start to really kind of fill up here? You can see this water is held inside these honeycomb shapes. Now you won't always have just water here. You would have mud and dirt would be captured inside these little honeycomb shapes inside here. So that was a let's see, that was a cup and a half of water so far. And you can see it's starting to reach towards the outsides. It's kind of filled up in the middle there, right there. And so that's quite a bit of water that you would get inside there, and you can see it's inside these honeycomb shapes right there. Now, if you get that much water, what I'd recommend is you take these out and you dump these out. So let's actually take this here, and we're gonna dump this out here. Shake that out. Dry that off a little bit right there. Okay, so shake that out, and then we're just gonna pop these back inside here, and now we're good to go. One of the big benefits of the Bronze Series floor mats is very wide range of vehicles that we can do this in. A lot of the older vehicles we can still do this in. Really the goal of the Bronze Series floor mat is to mimic the OEM carpet mat that you have. So the same shape as the original carpet, but now it's in this tough, durable rubber here with these nibs on the back that hold it into place, and it's more an all-weather mat now. Now the sides, it doesn't have sides that come up on it like a more premium mat would, and there are more premium mats out there, but this one right here, it holds the dirt and water debris inside these honeycomb shapes like I was explaining there. Again, I'll pour a little bit more water in there just so you can see that. Again, so you can see how the water holds inside those little shapes like that right there. And then when you're ready, you can dump that out, and they clean up nice and easy. This black looked great inside this vehicle, a lot of black tones, and we did some black accent seat covers and a dash cover, and just look sharp inside here. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you want to order floor mats like we showed today, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers, floor mats, and a lot of other great accessories to protect your interior. And again, you can see more at Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.